Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your presentation and view the content of your bin on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select that one presentation or slides that you would like to get rid of. So simply select that one and tap on the three dots icon next to your chosen slide title. Scroll down till you find the remove icon down below, that's the last option. Then tap on move to bin. If you scroll up, you are going to see this setting icon in the upper left corner of the screen, so tap on it and then click on the bin option or section in the middle of the screen. Here at this page you are going to see the content of your bin. You have many options here. You can tap on this three dots icon, and then you can either restore it by tapping on the restore icon, thereby, if you go back, restoring your presentation. But if you want to delete it completely, I am going to show you what to do. So tap on the three dots icon, and if you want to delete this file forever so that you won't be able to restore it again, tap on the delete forever icon and then press delete forever button. So now your file has been deleted forever and now your bin is empty since there are no other slides added to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.